Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given x plus 8 squared is equal to 64. Solution. And here we have to copy what we have. We have x plus 8 squared is equal to 64. Okay, and we shall say x plus 8 squared minus 64 equals to 0, and we know that x plus 8 squared minus 64 can be written as 8 squared, which is equal to 0. Then of course this is difference of two squares, so that this is a squared minus b squared. We shall say x plus 8 times x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then x plus 16 times x will be 0 at this stage. X plus 16 will be 0, or x will be 0. Then x will be negative 16, or x will be 0. And of course we have to check if our answer is correct, because we have given x plus 8 squared, which is equal to 64. And first step is here, I have to say negative bracket of negative 16 plus 8 squared is equal to 64, question mark, and we shall say here negative 8 squared, which is equal to 64, and 64 is equal to 64, to mean left hand side is equal to right hand side, to mean this is correct. What about 0? We have right here 0 plus 8 squared is equal to 64, and 64 is equal to 64. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, to mean this value of course is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you the next time.